अंग्रेजी ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ। Today's Hukamnama is blessing from Sachkhand Shri Harmandir Sahib. Hukamnama is placed in Tan Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj on Ang 564. Guru Maharaj has recited the Hukamnama in Rag Vadhans. Rag Vadhans quietens the mind, and the essence of the Shabad creates the yearning, the desire to unite with God, our Creator. Guru Maharaj begins the Hukamnama with these beautiful words. मेरे अंतर लोचा मिलन की प्यारे हूँ क्यों पाई गुर पूरे. Antar means in my mind, inside. Locha is desire, the craving, absolutely desperate desire. Within me, there is a desperate desire, craving to unite with my beloved Creator. Ho kyon pai Guru Pure? How I can meet Vaheguru, how I can unite with Vaheguru is through the Guru. Guru means knowledge, Gyan. Is the true wisdom, the Brahm Gyan, the knowledge of Almighty God. That comes from Tan Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib's Bani. For anything, you need wisdom. If you want to drive a car, you need the knowledge of the rules. If you are a surgeon, you need the knowledge how to use your tools, scissors, knife, to do operation upon the patient. Without the knowledge, same tools can kill a person. But when surgeon is knowledgeable, expert, same tools are used to save the life. To realize God, who is formless and is pervading everywhere, we need the knowledge. Vaheguru is there all the time. Whether we remember Vaheguru, whether we haven't realized Vaheguru, Vaheguru is still there. But we need the knowledge and understanding how to become one with Vaheguru. That comes from Gurbani. What is the role of the Guru in our lives? I was asking some youngsters, and they were saying that we come to the Gurdwara maybe 4 times in a year. And I said, well, why do you come 4 times? The answer I had was, because we have 4 exams in the year. And last year, I came 10 times because I gave 10 job interviews. So basically, we come to the Guru when we need something material. But Guru Maharaj reveals in the Bani, if you have come to the Guru, you are very fortunate. But the role of the Guru or Gurbani is to help us realize the formless Creator which is with us all the time. There is a beautiful Shabad in the Gurbani, Jaisa Satguru Sunida, Taiso hi main deet, Vichhadya mille Prabhu, har darge ka baseet. Now I know the true definition of Satguru. I've seen my Satguru. I've acquired the Gyan. Vichhadya mele Prabhu. Vichhadya means separated. Vichhadya mele Prabhu har darge ka baseet. Guru helps us to unite with the God who is separated from us, whom we have forgotten. God still looks after us whether we meditate on God or not. God is very compassionate, very tolerant. People who are atheists, God still preserves them, nourishes them, gives them oxygen to breathe. God is very kind. If we are given the control to run the creation, because we have so many people we don't like, half the population on this earth will be dead. Because we do not have the tolerance and the compassion and the acceptance like Vaheguru. And that is the very reason we cannot meet Vaheguru. First of all, if you live in a town, half the people in that town will die. Because Vaheguru has given you the control of death and life. So you're going to say, I don't like this person. I'm going to cut off the oxygen. I'm going to make this person suffer from heart attack. But Vaheguru is very compassionate. So Guru Maharaj reveals that this material is a distraction. Like a little child, when child is hungry, wants milk, parents try to distract the child with some toys, with some noise. The toy that makes some sound. When child is very, very young, child has better focus because child doesn't know about the relationship. You can give the child millions of pounds, keep billions of pounds in front of the child. Child is going to take the notes, chew them, because child doesn't have the understanding. Same child, when grows up, now appreciates the notes. There is a moho, there is attachment, there is a greed. So child has more attention, can easily connect with Vaheguru. So there is a message there that right from the childhood, if we get our children to listen to the Gurbani, listen to the Jap, there is a more likelihood they will become Gurmukh when they grow older. So Satsangaji, Guru Maharaj gives the example of a child. Like a child is distracted with the noise of the toys and then goes quiet whilst mother is making the milk or preparing the food. But at the end, after a while, child cries again. I want milk. I want food. Similarly, I have seen the materialistic players in my life and I'm absolutely content. I know the reality. My mind cannot be peaceful. My hunger cannot be quenched. My thirst can't be quenched without sight of my beloved, without merger with Vaheguru. मेरे अंतर भुख ना उतरे अमाली जैसो भोजन मैं नीरे. You can place hundreds of foods in front of me, hundreds of delicacies in front of me. Nothing pleases me because there is a hunger to meet Vaheguru. मेरे मन तन प्रेम प्रेम का बिन दर्शन क्यों मानती रहे. Within my mind there is a pyar, love for Vaheguru. Without seeing Vaheguru, I don't feel happy. Suno sajjan mere pritam bhai, main melo mitra sukhdata. Then Guru Maharaj makes a request to the Sangat. Please help me to acquire the Gyan and meet my true Guru. So Guru can help me, the wisdom can help me to unite with Vaheguru. But when we come to the Gurdwara Satsangaji, Guru Maharaj inspires us to only talk about Vaheguru. How we can meet Vaheguru, how we can become one with Vaheguru. I know we should be aware of the politics, but keep that time separate. Our life is, say, 60 years, just as an example. 1/3 of the life, 20 years, go in sleeping. So everyone is sleeping for 20 years, 1/3 of the life. How long does it take to eat the food? So especially if you take example of birthday parties, People spend 3 hours in the restaurant. They have the starter, they have the drinks, then the main course, then the dessert afterwards. Before you realize, 3 or 4 hours are gone. If you calculate that you are spending on average 3 hours a day having your breakfast, lunch and dinner, amounts to how many? 5 hours a day. Eating, nibbling. That will amount to 6 years of your life. So 26 years are gone out of 70 years. Then Satsangati, you have to work. 1/3 of your life you spend working, going to job. Another 20 years gone. So that's 46 years gone. Then you spend time having bath, getting ready. Sometimes so many people, they spend hours and hours in bath. I don't know what they do there. But anyway, 5 years in the bathroom. If you calculate all that, all the time you spend in front of the idiot box watching movies, another 10 years gone, you will be left with a couple of years to remember Vaheguru. That is why Guru Maharaj has inspired us to remember Vaheguru whilst we are sitting, while we are standing, whilst we are asleep. Uthat baitat sovat naam, koh nanak jan kai sadkam. Remember Vaheguru. Admittedly, when you are in the workplace, you can't chant Vaheguru's name whilst you are dealing with your friends or you are attending to a phone call, but your mind can be connected to Vaheguru. That's the message. Keep connected to Vaheguru. Keep remembering Vaheguru. Acknowledge Vaheguru's blessings. The biggest blessing Vaheguru has given us is the human life. So in this Hukamnama today, Guru Maharaj reveals, Guru has taught me how to create that craving to be with Vaheguru. Once we have the craving, once we have the thirst and hunger to meet Vaheguru, then only we can meet Vaheguru. जिनको लगी प्यास अमृत से खाएं कल मैं एहो पुन गुण गोविंद गाएं पुलां चुकां दी माफी प्यार नाल फतेह सांझी करनी वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा वाहिगुरू जी की फतेह।